Beauties, I thought it would be so much fun today to put together a Mardi Gras makeup look, so that is what I did. I went ahead and created this Mardi Gras inspired look using those beautiful New Orleans colors, the purples, the gold, the greens, and I also did get my Jeffree Star Morphe brushes, so I also give a first impressions review today and I use them and I let you guys know my experience with them, so just keep watching to find out. And babes, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It definitely helps me out so much. So just keep watching to see my Mardi Gras makeup tutorial and Jeffree Star brushes first impressions. So guys, I just purchased this the other day at CVS. This is the NYX Off Tropic. So I don't know if you've seen this palette, but oh my god, wait till I show you. Aren't these colors just unbelievable? So I figured these are perfect shades for Mardi Gras look. So I also got these new Jeffree Star brushes, the Morphe brushes with Jeffree Star. I'm so happy I got them. I was thinking about doing a video, like a comparison video of one eye with like AliExpress. I've seen a lot of people do that video though, so maybe, you know, too many people have done that already. Let me know guys what you think, if I should do that video or that ship has sailed, if you know what I mean. So it's a really cute case that it came in. And then you get all these brushes here, so they do have some weight to them. Wow, because I can tell you right off the bat, I have the Juicy Couture brushes that look just like this. They're the diamond handle, but these are actually heavier than the Juicy Couture. So it looks the same, but it's very heavy. Actually, I have a few brushes with this kind of handle and they don't feel this heavy. So that's good because it doesn't feel, you know, cheap. Ooh, this brush is so cute. This is like that Too Faced brush that they came out with for the highlight. I love that brush. I left it at home in New York. So I can't wait to try this with the highlight. This feels really nice for face products. It's very dense, it's packed. The bristles are packed very densely. So it feels really secure. That was another thing. Actually, let me get those brushes for you guys. I'll be right back. So I just went and got my Juicy brushes. So this is the Juicy, and this is the Jeffree Star. And yeah, this feels heavier, and I'm going to show you guys. I hope you can hear it. But when I was using these, and these are like brand new, it was like making this weird noise. So let me show you. Oh, I see what's happening. Oh, that's why the weird noise was. It just popped. The head just popped. So, because it was making this really weird noise when I was using it on my face. It was like, it sounded like, you know, like it was a weird noise, but now I know it was loose. That's why. I don't know, guys. What do you think? They do look the same. I guess they were, who knows what, guys, right? But let me know if you want me to do that. This brush set though did not come with like, it didn't come with a fluffy brush. It didn't come with the same brushes as the Jeffree Star. So that's why I figured I will get the Jeffree Star too, because look at this beautiful fluffy brush. It feels super densely packed. And then this fluffy brush, which has like a nice angle to it so you can carve out your crease. And then it has this brush. So there was a lot of different brushes. That's really nice. I wonder if this is for the eye, J54. Could that be for the eye? It's so big. I always love my Morphe brushes, so they work really good. I mean, I figured I would use some of these today with my Off Tropic palette and create a Jeffree Star times Morphe look. I don't know. So I'm gonna do, I'm pretty sure I told you already, but I figured I would do a Mardi Gras makeup look today. I am going to Mardi Gras, guys. I can't believe it. Well, actually, it's Mardi Gras at Universal Studios. So but that's still amazing, right? Because I always, whenever I come to Florida, I see the signs for Mardi Gras on the billboards, and it looks amazing that Universal has. And I've been to Universal to their parties, to the Halloween party, and it is so amazing there. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by using my Jeffree Star J55 brush. Actually, I'm going to take this other brush. It's much fluffier. This is a Morphe brush from Holiday. So I'm just going to use this with this, you know, mustard kind of shade right there. And I'm just going to put that all over my eye. So I was so surprised when I checked out with this palette. This palette was $19.99 at CVS, so I was like, wow, really? It was like super expensive. Because, you know, to me a drugstore palette for $19.99 is really expensive. But that color is gorgeous. Wow. So that's really, really beautiful. I did prime my eyes already with the Morphe primer. And then I put some of that NYX Milk stick right under my brow to brighten it up. So that's where we're at with that. So now I'm going to go in with a more tapered brush. So now I'll take the Jeffree Star and I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to put that in the lower crease. So these are just absolutely gorgeous. This palette is really beautiful. I'm glad I bought it. It is performing just like a high-end palette from Sephora, like a Tarte, better than a Tarte, better than a lot of super expensive palettes that I bought. So this is actually was a great purchase. Wow, that's so beautiful, guys. I really can't believe it. So I cannot believe my eyes, guys, really. I had to hardly do any blending. I had to dip in very few times to get all of that color payoff. It's not patchy whatsoever, super pigmented. So actually this is a great purchase. So now because we're doing a Mardi Gras look, I definitely want to get that purple, gold, and green color scheme going on. So I'm going to start by taking this gold shade and I'm going to pack that on the front portion of my eye. So beautiful. So I'm just gonna wet my brush, guys, with my beauty mist, and I'm really loving this so far. I just want to see if it comes out even more intense when we wet it. So I'm loving that. I'm just gonna do the other eye. So pretty, guys. Now I'm going to go in with the green shimmer color and I'm just going to put that in the center of my lids and then we'll transition that out with the purple. And now go ahead and put the purple on the outer portion of my eye. Take that shade. And then I'm going to smudge that gold purple under my lashes too. And I'm going to take some of this hot pink color and just use that to blend out everything. I'm going to take some of this metallic liner, the Midnight Cowboy from Urban Decay, and just go over the gold to make it really nice and wet looking. So I'm just gonna put some liner. So I'm just gonna take away some more of this fallout, guys. I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll just work on my bronzer a bit and I'll be right back. So dolls, I'm back. I put on my Ardell lashes. So I just love this Morphe palette that I bought at the Morphe store. So it just has the most gorgeous warm tone shade contours. So guys, I just used this brush here. This is the Morphe JS4 and I used this for my nose contour and I just love how it came out. I was so shocked. It just really effortlessly kind of gave that really perfect nose contour. So now I'm really excited to try out this brush here for the highlighter. So I'm going to use this Morphe highlighter here. I actually like this better, I think, than my Too Faced brush. I think the bristles are packed a little more densely, so it's distributing it. The highlighter's coming out to my eye. From what I remember, it's just coming out a lot more blinding with this brush. And this is just some of the Morphe Filter Effect powder. I love this powder so much. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my lip. I'm going to take this MAC Soar liner. And I'm just going to put some of this Too Faced Melted I Wanna Rock You on top. And then I'm going to put on some of this Revlon Snow Pink lip gloss. So beauties, this is the finished look. I actually just changed out into my dress and I added these diamond-esque hoop earrings, and I actually wound up changing out my lip. I don't know, which lip do you guys like better? This is Chocolate Honey from Too Faced. Oh my god, I love this lip so much, and it actually tastes kind of chocolatey, so that's awesome. So let me know what you guys like better though. Do you like the first lip that I put on, which was the Too Faced I Wanna Rock With You, or do you prefer the nude lip? I am just like addicted to this nude lip though, guys. I actually also did mix in some of this Wet n Wild lipstick that I just picked up. This is the MEGALAST liquid lipstick in the color Cedar Lane. Oh my god, this looks so gorgeous on its own, but I did mix these two together tonight, so I feel like this is the most perfect chocolatey nude lip for my complexion. I'm always searching, and wow, I am so happy. I could not be happier with this combo right here. But I had so much fun putting together this look today and trying out my Jeffree Star brushes. I actually do really like those brushes a lot. I do normally love my Morphe products though. I have yet to really be disappointed in a Morphe product. I know, like I said, that sometimes the shadows are patchy, but you know, you can work with that. I do have a special trick that I'm going to be sharing with you guys soon about how to get rid of that patchiness and get the perfect blend. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys soon, so be on the lookout for that video, because so many shadows are patchy. So, but I do have a special technique that I've come up with recently, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Just to sum up my thoughts on the Jeffree Star brushes though, I absolutely love how the bristles were really packed nicely into the handles, and I love the different shapes. That one brush was just so great for the nose contour. I absolutely love the highlighting brush. I love those eyeshadow brushes. They were really different. They were packed so tightly that they were definitely very different than my other fluffy brushes or other eyeshadow brushes that I have. So they were really different and really unique in their shape and in their function. So I could not be happier. And definitely comparing the Jeffree Star Morphe brushes to, say, my Juicy Couture brushes, which look exactly the same, but they're not. Those bristles on the Juicy Couture brushes were very flimsy. The bristles on the Jeffree Star, on the Morphe brushes, were definitely packed very nicely into the handle. They distributed the product much differently. They felt more high quality. So I really like those brushes a lot. I'm so happy I bought them, and I would not compare them at all to the cheaper versions. The cheaper versions, the bristles are flimsy. They don't stay right. They don't distribute the makeup well at all. So definitely let me know, guys, in the comments though, if you'd like to see a side-by-side comparison of using the Jeffree Star brushes versus using it, you know, the AliExpress cheaper versions, the dupe versions. Let me know if you'd like to see that video, guys. Though, so like I was saying, there are so many of those videos already on YouTube, but let me know if you guys would like to see me do a video on it. You know I would love to. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my Mardi Gras makeup tutorial and Jeffree Star Morphe brushes review. So definitely tag me, guys, in any of your Mardi Gras makeup looks that you do. I would love to see them, and I will definitely be doing shout outs on my Instagram and on my YouTube too. So definitely tag me, and definitely leave a link in my comments to your videos, because I know a lot of you guys make videos and sometimes it's hard to, you know, get to your channel or things like that, or to get to the videos. But go ahead and leave a link down below with your channel and your looks that you create, because then it makes it so much easier for everybody to go and find you, and we all definitely want to find you. So don't be shy to leave your comments, to leave your links and all of that. So I definitely want to see all you guys leaving your Instagrams and your YouTube links below, and I will definitely shout you guys out too on my channel. So that's something else also. So tag me this week, tag me in your Mardi Gras pictures, and next time that I do a video, I will definitely do shout outs and go through the pictures and see, and you know, maybe even we can do like your picture and show your looks. That would be so awesome. So I would love to do that. So thank you guys so much again for coming and hanging out with me. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.